In this video, we're going to discuss windows and how to cover them. We'll look at the built-in residential window object in Modus, and then I'll show you a quick trick for creating commercial-style shades using floating shelves. Let's start with the built-in window. I'll search for window in the object library. This is our traditional residential window styled for home use. If I go to the lighting tab and drag the shade slider down, you'll see the shade close and light stops entering the room. That works great in residential designs. But what if you're aiming for a commercial look? A fast way to achieve this is by using the floating shelf object. I'll search for floating shelf, place it above the window, and resize it to fit, making it taller and as wide as the window, and a little shallower. Be sure it fully covers the opening, otherwise light will leak through the corners. That creates the casing. Next, I'll duplicate the shelf with the Axis Restricted Movement tool, resize it, and adjust the height so it acts like a rolling shade. For materials, I often use a cotton fishbone fabric pattern since it lets you adjust the color. For the casing, I usually choose black painted metal, but you can style it however you like. Now, you can open and close the shade by resizing the panel. One limitation here, this workaround is not connected to the built-in shade pipeline, so it's best for renders or live design sessions with clients, not for automated shade controls in videos. If your design calls for side channels, you can add them too. Just duplicate and resize shelves along the edges, then set them to black painted metal. One more tip. If you move the shade with the Axis tool, it may extend outside the space. That can appear in line drawings generated with Modus Docs. If you're creating elevations, use the resize method instead. That's it. Until we build a dedicated shade object, the floating shelf trick is your best option. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts in the forums or suggest another video idea. As always, visit forum.modusvr.com or email us support@modusvr.com for help or feedback. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.